Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common health concern: yeast infections. These infections, often caused by an overgrowth of Candida, can be uncomfortable and disruptive. But the good news is there are natural ways to combat them and restore balance to your body. Throughout this video, we'll explore some powerful supplements that can help fight Candida overgrowth and support your body's natural defenses. Now let's get started. When it comes to fighting yeast infections, it's crucial to address the root cause, and often that starts in the gut. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. An imbalance of these bacteria can create an environment where Candida thrives. That's where probiotics come in. Probiotics are live microorganisms that offer numerous health benefits, particularly for our gut. These beneficial bacteria help crowd out the harmful yeast, restoring the natural balance in your gut microbiome. Incorporating a high-quality probiotic supplement into your daily routine can be a powerful step in combating yeast infections and supporting your overall gut health. Next up, let's talk about caprylic acid, a natural fatty acid found in coconut oil. Caprylic acid possesses potent antifungal properties, breaking down the cell membrane of Candida, effectively killing the yeast. This makes it a highly effective natural remedy for yeast infections. You can find caprylic acid supplements in various forms, including capsules and liquid. Supplementing with concentrated caprylic acid can be a more targeted approach. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines, is renowned for its impressive medicinal properties. For centuries, garlic has been recognized for its potent antifungal properties, primarily attributed to a compound called allicin. Allicin possesses powerful antimicrobial properties, effectively targeting Candida overgrowth. While incorporating fresh garlic into your diet is beneficial, garlic capsules offer a convenient and concentrated way to harness its antifungal benefits. These capsules provide a standardized dose of allicin, ensuring you receive its full therapeutic potential. Beyond its antifungal effects, garlic is also a natural immune booster. Incorporating garlic capsules into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to combat yeast infections and support your overall health. Oregano oil is another natural powerhouse when it comes to fighting Candida overgrowth. Derived from the oregano plant, this essential oil contains potent antifungal compounds, particularly carvacrol. Carvacrol has been extensively studied for its ability to inhibit the growth of Candida and other fungal strains. When choosing an oregano oil supplement, opt for a high-quality oil that's standardized for carvacrol content. Due to its potency, oregano oil should always be taken with caution, starting with a low dose and gradually increasing as needed. Remember, while oregano oil can be a powerful ally in combating yeast infections, consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your regimen. Grapefruit seed extract, often referred to as GSE, is another natural remedy gaining popularity for its potential to combat yeast infections. This powerful extract is derived from the seeds, pulp, and white membranes of grapefruit, and is believed to have broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties. GSE is thought to work by disrupting the cell walls of Candida and other microorganisms, effectively inhibiting their growth. When choosing a GSE supplement, select a reputable brand that uses a high-quality extraction process. As with any supplement, start with a low dose of GSE and gradually increase it as needed. While GSE can be a valuable tool in your natural arsenal against yeast infections, consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating it into your regimen. Berberine, a plant alkaloid found in various herbs like golden seal, barberry, and Oregon grape, has a long history of use in traditional medicine. Berberine exhibits strong antimicrobial properties, particularly against Candida. It works by interfering with the yeast's ability to attach to and colonize the gut lining, effectively preventing its overgrowth. Berberine also supports healthy blood sugar levels, which is crucial in managing Candida overgrowth. Furthermore, berberine acts as an immune modulator, helping to balance the immune response and prevent overreactions that can contribute to inflammation. Incorporating berberine into your routine can be a powerful way to combat yeast infections and promote overall well-being. Journey with me to the heart of the Amazon rainforest as we explore the healing properties of pau d'arco, a tree bark traditionally used by indigenous cultures for its potent medicinal properties. Pau d'arco, also known as tahibo, is revered for its antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, making it a versatile natural remedy for various ailments. The bark of the pau d'arco tree contains powerful compounds, including lapachol and beta-lapachone, which are believed to be responsible for its antifungal effects. Pau d'arco is available in various forms, including tea and capsules. Many people find the earthy flavor of pau d'arco tea enjoyable, while capsules offer a convenient and concentrated way to experience its benefits. Embrace the wisdom of the rainforest and explore the potential of pau d'arco in supporting your body's natural defenses against Candida overgrowth. Let's add a touch of golden spice to our natural remedies with curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric. Curcumin possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a valuable ally in combating yeast infections. It works by inhibiting the growth of Candida and reducing the inflammation associated with the infection. Curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body on its own, but combining it with black pepper, which contains piperine, significantly enhances its bioavailability. Look for curcumin supplements that include piperine for optimal absorption. Embrace the golden power of curcumin and experience its remarkable healing potential. When it comes to fighting infections, a robust immune system is your best defense. Echinacea, traditionally used to combat colds and flu, can also be a valuable tool against yeast infections. Echinacea works by stimulating the immune system, enhancing its ability to fight off invading pathogens, including Candida. It helps increase the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for attacking and destroying harmful microorganisms. Echinacea is available in various forms, including capsules, teas, and extracts. Choose a high-quality product from a reputable brand to ensure potency and effectiveness. Give your immune system the support it needs with Echinacea and enhance its ability to combat yeast infections naturally. Let's dive into the world of healthy fats with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that play a crucial role in overall health and well-being. These healthy fats offer a wide range of benefits, including reducing inflammation, supporting heart health, and boosting brain function. When it comes to yeast infections, omega-3 fatty acids can be particularly beneficial due to their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids help to reduce the production of inflammatory compounds in the body, effectively calming the inflammatory response and promoting healing. Embrace the power of omega-3 fatty acids and experience their remarkable ability to combat inflammation and support your body's natural healing process. Let's talk about a tart and tangy remedy that's gained popularity for its ability to combat urinary tract infections: cranberry juice. While often associated with UTIs, cranberry juice can also be beneficial in managing yeast infections, thanks to its ability to alter the pH balance. Cranberries contain compounds that can help acidify the urine, making it less hospitable to Candida overgrowth. While unsweetened cranberry juice can be beneficial, it's essential to choose a brand that doesn't contain added sugars, as sugar can actually feed Candida overgrowth. Incorporating cranberry juice or supplements into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to manage pH balance and create an environment that's less favorable for yeast overgrowth. Let's conclude our exploration of natural remedies with aloe vera, a succulent plant known for its soothing and healing properties. While not directly targeting Candida overgrowth, aloe vera can provide much-needed relief from the discomfort associated with yeast infections, particularly vaginal yeast infections. Aloe vera gel contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, helping to soothe itching, burning, and irritation. It also forms a protective barrier over the skin, promoting healing and preventing further irritation. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the affected area for soothing relief. While aloe vera can provide temporary relief from the discomfort of yeast infections, it's essential to address the underlying cause of the infection with the other remedies discussed in this video. Congratulations on taking a proactive approach to your health. We've covered a diverse range of natural remedies that can help you combat yeast infections and reclaim your well-being. Remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.